Morning, guys and girls. Welcome back to Colingo, and this is Corner. Today's topic is 9 sounds and 6 tones. 九聲六調. So, let's go! Cantonese is a tonal language, which means tone is a part of pronunciation for each character. Modern linguists have discovered that nearly 1,800 syllables are in use in Cantonese vocabulary as the pronunciation for more than 10,000 characters. The tones, therefore, help the listener to narrow down the possible character of a pronunciation. So in other words, it is as important as those marks around the alphabet in the European languages. If you mess up with the tones, we can still determine which character you are referring to, but sometimes it would result in a big misunderstanding. Like a Cantonese hymn, 主能夠, the God is able to. The lyrics are so out of tone that it sounds like 主能夠, the God is playing with his body. As mentioned in the title, there are 9 sounds and 6 tones. The first 6 tones and sounds are exactly the same thing, but for the last 3 sounds, they are a bit special and we'll come back here in a moment. Here is a demonstration of the 6 tones with the pronunciation of ah, 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 ah. This is the general deception of the tones. If you check online, and you will see different variations, but they all sound roughly the same. Also, these are not the absolute pitch of the tones. They come in a relative ratio. You can stretch it wider so you can sound more emotional or like those kids in their speech festivals. You can compress it to sound emotionless or more hypnotic. You can tune it higher or lower according to your vocal range. The reason they're excluded from the tones is because they're identical with the first, third, and the sixth tone but end in a stop. This is a voiceless bilabial stop, meaning you stop the airflow with a sudden closure of your mouth by pressing the lips together, like the P in pull. You can start with a very obvious P sound as in English. Tap, tap. Then stop the airflow when your lips touch together. Your mouth should be shut at the end of the word. Tap, tap. If you find it quite difficult to do so, try to speak slowly and separate the P from the word and take only the first part. Tap, 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 tap. So let's compare that with the same pronunciation without a stop. Ta, 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 ta. This is a voiceless alveolar stop, meaning you pause the airflow by pressing the tip of the tongue against the roots of your upper teeth, like the TH in think, but with an Indian or Southern Irish accent. Think, think. First pronounce with a very strong T sound. Tat, tat. Then don't let the strong airflow out at the end. Tat, tat. Or you can try to separate the T slowly from the body. Tat, 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 tat. Let's compare that with the same pronunciation without a stop. Ta, 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 ta. This is a voiceless alveolar stop, meaning you trap the airflow by raising the back of the tongue to the soft palate like the K in kill. Begin by pronouncing a very strong K ending. Tak, tak. But stop it the moment before that. Tak, tak. Or try to separate the final K from the main body. Tak, 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 tak. So let's compare that with the same pronunciation without a stop.
차, 착, 차, 착.
You can often refer to my video or to a piano. Try to recite the tones as if you're singing. Here are the notes for each tone. Remember, you can always tune it higher or lower based on your needs. I've put a link to a cheat sheet as a visual reminder of the 6 tones. Just click the link in the description box and then click Resources in the web page. It will direct you to a cheat sheet. Hope you guys find it useful in understanding sounds and tones. I would make some more videos about Cantonese in the future. Please comment your thoughts and any questions down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye!